Hey guys, welcome to Define Agile. In this video, I'll show you how to do a backlog grooming in Jira. What is backlog grooming? What are the questions you need to ask to groom backlog? Who grooms backlog? We're going to cover all of this. I'm going to show you how to do it in red in Jira. Before I do, a couple of things. If you guys will learn Jira in about 8 hours, go to description, find the link and get my course. It's very quick, very affordable. You'll love it. If you are stuck in your Jira journey and there's something you want to do, you need help, go to the first comment of this video and schedule a consultation with me or somebody from my team. Finally, if you're a big company that needs help with Jira, please go to defineagile.com, fill in the discovery form, and let's see if we can work together and transform your teams, move them to Jira, or do anything in Agile world that we need to do. Now, finally, let's get to that backlog grooming. Why do we need backlog grooming? What is it anyway? So in Jira, we have projects, and projects usually have backlogs. So you have your sprints. Let's say work in Scrum or Kanban, doesn't matter. But here we have few sprints in this project and we have a backlog. So backlog holds all the features that we want to deliver, but they're not scheduled yet. So they're not taking for development. They're not in a current sprint. But we need to make sure that when we are ready to take them, that they have everything that is needed. So that's why we need to do backlog grooming. And ideally, you will have your sprint, and somewhere in the middle of the sprint, you'll have a backlog grooming session where you would prepare everything for the sprint planning, or for, if you work in Kanban, or to give it to the people, to the developers, and put in a Kanban board. So what's important about the backlog? Important to prioritize. So you don't have to groom everything. You have to groom the most important things. You have to ask questions. What is the most important for us to work on now? This comes from vision. This comes from stakeholders. So once you realize that, you move it at the top of the backlog, because we always take things from top of the backlog, not from the bottom. So everything in the top of the backlog need to be well groomed. And then if it goes down the backlog, it can get less and less groomed. What does it mean issue to be groomed? Well, easy. It should have everything needed for developer to take it, or if you're not a developer team, for anybody who's working on this issue to take it and be able to work on it without going back to you, without going back to stakeholders. They just have everything needed in this issue. So that means that the story is groomed. It needs to have a good title. It needs to have a good description. It needs to have an estimate if we need to estimate it. It needs to have if, let's say, we're building something, it needs to have all the designs attached. So as a developer, I take it and I don't need to go to anybody. I can just go and work on it by myself. So the grooming session is, you're taking the issue, you're seeing what's missing, and you're finding those missing links, what's missing, then you're putting it in the ticket. You can do it with the developers if you need developer input. You can do it with designers. You can do it by yourself as a product owner, project manager, or whoever the role is for maintaining the backlog. But you always make sure that the top of the backlog is groomed. And then when it is groomed, it's great. Then it's at the top. And then you reshuffle, you see what else is important, asking questions, what are we going to work on next, talking to stakeholders, talking to your developers. What is also, we need to see how complicated some issues are. So maybe when you do grooming session, you can ask your developers how complicated this will be to implement. And then if it's something, you're always looking for something that it's easier to implement and very important. So you push them up top of the backlog. Or if it's very important and hard to do, you're also putting it at the top of the backlog. But always make sure the highest priority items are on the top of your backlog. That's how you groom your backlog. So at the end, you'll have a bunch of issues that are very well groomed. And then if you have a sprint planning, it will be very easy. You go for the issues with your team and then you put them in a sprint, put them in a sprint, put them in a sprint. And then if you get to something that's not well groomed, you'll groom in the sprint planning if you need to. But essentially, ideally, you'll have this separate session to groom your backlog. Hope it helps. Let me know if you have any questions. If you think that brought you value, please like and subscribe. I really need more subscribers and more likes so we share it to more and more people and just spread the knowledge of Jira, spread the knowledge of Agile. And if you like it, please put some comments. I read all of them. Really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next one. Bye-bye.